All right, I'm back at Harbor Freight, and in this video, I'm going to do a deep dive of the different Icon wrenches that they have available in the stores, and for the upcoming June parking lot sale, where they're going to be 35% off on all Icon wrench sets. So I'm going to go over the different options they have, and I'll have the discounted price down in the lower left corner of the screen. And the June parking lot sale is going to be starting for ITC members on June 1st through June 4th, and then everyone else saves on June 5th through the 7th. It's going to be an excellent sale coming up here in June. And again, this video is going to be on the Icon wrench sets. But first, I want to announce the winners of the 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. I did a community post announcing the winners. I want to congratulate Shadow, the ST line, Sam Held 1, Robert D. Knight, Marvin Edwards 6260, and Jerry's Scheme 8082. I want to congratulate the winners, and thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel and helping the channel reach that 50,000 goal mark. I really do appreciate all of your support and enthusiasm for the channel and my videos that I do, and the outpouring of awesome comments that you guys did on that video. There was almost 5,600 comments on that video, and I did my best to try to respond to everyone, and at a minimum I gave you a heart acknowledging that I did read your comment. So again, thank you guys so much. All right, to start off here, I'm going to start off on the top row of the wrenches, and the first sets are going to be the flex head ratcheting wrenches in both the SAE and metric. So the SAE has 8-piece set total, and they are no skip sizing from 5/16 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch, and that retail price is $140. And then the metric one is actually a 12-piece set that ranges from 8mm to 19mm, and that retails at $200 for that set. And next up is the professional stubby ratcheting wrench sets in both the SAE and metric. The SAE does have 7 pieces to it, whereas the metric has 10 pieces. They are both no skip sizing, and the SAE ranges from 5/8 to 9/16, and that retail price is $80. And then the millimeter ranges from 10mm up to 19mm, and that retail price is $90 for that set. And then next up is the professional stubby wrench sets. Again, no skip sizing in both the SAE and metric. They're each 10-piece sets. These will be the cheapest Icon wrenches you can get, and they're each retail at $40. And the SAE ranges from 1/4 inch up to 3/4 of an inch, and the metric ranges from 10mm up to 19mm. And then they have the professional S-shape wrench set, both SAE and metric, and they're each 5-piece set, and they retail at $50 each. And it has 2 different sizes on each wrench end. Same thing goes for the metric as well. The thing that's nice about all Icon wrench sets is that they do come in a plastic organizer, so you could technically take that out and put it directly into your toolbox if you have the space for it. If you're getting any value from this video, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device. And also consider subscribing for more deal videos like this to help you save money. And I appreciate that support. Now let's move to the next wrench set. And next up is the professional ratcheting stubby flex head combination wrench sets in the SAE and metric. The SAE is a 7-piece set, whereas the metric is a 10-piece set. The SAE ranges from 3/8 up to 3/4 of an inch, and the millimeters from 10mm up to 19mm. So the SAE set retails at $90, whereas the millimeter is $130. And then they have the professional combination wrench set. So it has an open in on the one end and then close in on the other. They're each a 14-piece set between the metric and an SAE. And again, no skip sizing, which is what's nice about these sets. So the SAE ranges from 1/4 inch up to 1 inch. The metric is 6mm up to 19mm. They each retail at $120. And again, they have the plastic inserts that come with it, so you could take it out and directly put it in your toolbox. And next up is the professional ratcheting wrench set in both the SAE and metric. This time the SAE is a 7-piece set. The metric is a 10-piece set, no skip sizing. The SAE is from 3/8 up to 3/4, and then millimeter is 10mm up to 19mm. So the SAE retail price is $120, and then the metric is $160. And next up is the Icon Professional Angled Open End wrench sets in the SAE and metric. The SAE is a 7-piece set, whereas the metric is an 8-piece set. And again, the SAE ranges from 3/8 to 3/4 of an inch. The retail price is $60, and also $60 for the millimeter set, which ranges from 10mm up to 17 millimeter, and that's no skip sizing. And next up is the Icon crowfoot wrench set in both the SAE and metric. This time the SAE is 11-piece set, no skip sizing. That's 3/8 up to 1 inch, and then the millimeter is from 10 millimeter up to 19 millimeter, but it's only a 10-piece set, and they each retail for 65 bucks. Again, they come in a nice plastic organizer to keep them organized in your toolbox. And next up is going to be the Icon Professional Combination Wrench Set, which is the anti-slip grip ones in both the SAE and metric, and they are each a 14-piece set. So the SAE again ranges from 1/4 inch up to 1 inch. The millimeter ranges from 6 millimeter up to 19 millimeter. They each retail at 130 bucks. So if you happen to miss out one of the day of deals that they did for, I think it was during ITC appreciation days, where these sets were actually 50% off. And that's when I picked these sets up. It was an excellent deal to get it for 65 bucks. And that's another reason why it pays to be an ITC member, which if you're not already, it's $30 a year. And it's, if you go into the store, you can go for the 2-year plan for 45 bucks, which is a much better deal to go in the store for it. They do not offer that online. And plus, two, the benefits for ITC membership is that you get the early access to the parking lot sale, which starts on the Monday, June 1st. And the next set of wrenches is going to be the professional ratcheting wrench set in the anti-slip grip ones. The SAE is a 7-piece set. It ranges from 3/8 to 3/4 of an inch. The millimeter set is a 10-piece set that ranges from 10 millimeter up to 19 millimeter. And the SAE set retail price is 130 bucks, and the metric is priced at 170. And the next sets are going to be the professional offset box wrench set. So they are offset on each end. The SAE and metric are both 5-piece sets. The retail price is 50 bucks each. And basically you have 2 different sizes on each of the wrenches. So basically it ranges from sizes the 3/8 up to the 7/8 for the SAE. And then the metric is 10 millimeter up to 19 millimeter. Next one's up is going to be the professional long combination wrench set in the SAE and metric. So the SAE is a 7-piece set. The metric is a 10-piece set. The SAE ranges from 3/8 of an inch up to 3/4 of an inch. The retail price is 65 bucks. And then the millimeter is 10 millimeter up to 19 millimeter. And that retail price is 85 bucks. And the next sets are going to be the professional double box ratcheting wrench sets. So the SAE is a 7-piece set again, and the metric is a 10-piece set. And again, no skip sizing. So the SAE set retails at 150 bucks. And it ranges from 3/8 up to 3/4 of an inch. And the metric is from 10 millimeter up to 19 millimeter. And the last few sets I'm going to cover on the bottom row here. It's going to be the professional large combination wrench sets, the SAE in metric. So the SAE is a 4-piece set that ranges from 1 1/16 up to 1 1/4 inch, and then the metric ranges from 20 millimeter up to 24 millimeter. The SAE set does have the normal retail price of 90 bucks, and the metric is 80 bucks. I'm not sure why the one is more expensive since you're getting an extra piece in the metric versus the SAE. And the next sets are going to be the professional large reversible ratcheting wrench set in both the metric and SAE. So the metric is a 6-piece set that ranges from 21 millimeter up to 32 millimeter, and the SAE is 13/16 up to 1 1/4 inch. Each of them are priced at 200 bucks. So again, it'd be a great deal to save the 35% on them. And the last set here is going to be the professional double box flex ratcheting wrench set in the millimeter. So it's a 5-piece set that ranges from 8 millimeter all the way up to 19 millimeter. So basically has 2 different sizes on each of the wrenches, which is why it's only a 5-piece set. And the retail price on this is 230 bucks. All right, that's going to be all the Icon sets that I can find here in the store, and they do have them all in stock here at this location. And I hope they have them in stock during this sale, because I can imagine there's going to be a run to the stores, especially in certain locations where it is popular. And I've seen pictures online where there'd be like 20 to 30 guys lined up at the store waiting for this kind of sale. So if you're planning on picking up any wrenches, let me know down in the comments below which ones you're going to pick up. I might pick up some flex head ratcheting ones. And if you gain any value from this video, I'd appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more of these deal videos. And I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.